I hear.
Oh boy, it was a definite struggle in the beginning.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Getting to class on time was an uphill battle all on its own, but at that end, needing to immediately catch up on the lessons I probably missed prior due to joining a little late, my brain was a chaotic battlefield at first. Okay, quick question. What exactly are we doing?
Oh, so we're gonna lighten the effect for a video project that we've been assigned to. So we can actually just put these points in the lightning from point A to point B to right here. Point A to point B. We can go fast, make it go wider, make it fast. We can have more streams of light, change its color.
I see. Miss Nabby? However, I found that the students around me were welcoming, very helpful, and it didn't take long for me to realize that these classes were paramount to my success. The instructor, Nabby, has also been very helpful and patient with not only just me, but my fellow classmates, both young and old, taking the time to even repeat particular subject matter that, as much as I hate to admit it, even I myself got stuck on. Now, I can't wait to get to class because I'm motivated to make my fantasy come to reality and forge a whole new world all on my own. The ABC Career Technical Education Center is the place that enables and empowers me to realize my greatest dreams. And I couldn't be any happier.
So, Desmond, I just want to show you something really cool.